Welcome everyone to Mazhar's official YouTube channel. Now we will unbox wireless keyboard. I will show you how to use this keyboard. Assalamu alaikum. Click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more notifications. Never miss any update. This is our Dell wireless keyboard and mouse combo. Now we'll unbox this. This is your keyboard and it is very stylish and all the keys are here. Like this back side we have this battery options, and this is you can stand this keyboard adjust according to you, and this is battery. You have to insert this battery here. There is only one battery you have to insert, and we'll have that adapter also. This adapter you have to connect to your CPU. This is the wireless adapter, and this is only one adapter for mouse and keyboard. It is the combo option. Just insert to your CPU and it will connect, and you can use wireless keyboard. After connecting, just check this, it is properly connected, and I will show you now it is working here. Look at these icons, it is working, and we'll open these options, and if you want to close, just alt F4, you can close from here. The wireless you can use from anywhere. It will work in your MI TV or LED smart TV tablets you can use. And beside this normal keys, it has volume key, volume up down option is also here, and all keys are properly. It's looking very good. Thanks for watching.